Hello guys, today we are making an awesome clicker game just like this. So first it's gonna be smooth and we are gonna make the background. And while making the clicker game, we're gonna have two episodes. So in this episode, we are going to make the backdrop and the spinning thingy, which is also called the shine, and we can make this cool nice effect for the cat clicking, and we'll make a high score and the shop. So let's just jump right in. Click on create, and then don't delete the sprite and delete the first costume and rename this costume to scratch cat. And again in the sprite, again name it scratch cat. Now we are done naming our sprite. Let's actually make the head. Let's just remove the head out of here and select all the sprites. The easiest way to select more than one sprite is click on shift and then click on the other things that you want to select. Then click on delete. Now you only have the head sprite. Put in the middle and make it a little larger so the player can see it. 134 by 96 is enough. So now let's go to code and make that smooth, shining, smooth, awesome effect when we touch this cat. I already have it in my backpack, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first you have to take when the green flag is clicked, then add this go to Y0 and X0 so it goes into the middle of the screen. Then put a forever block, then take the change size by block and put it right inside of that. Then put a divide block inside of it and name it in the second slot 3. So now it's gonna be nothing divided by 3, but just wait. In the first slot, you add a minus, and in that minus, you add size. You can get size from the look section, and if you go down, you can see this size. And now put in the second slot. Then we take a plus block and put it in the first slot. And in the first slot, you write 100 plus times. So take the times block in the operators. So all of these green thingies, all the green blocks are from these operators. These ones. So after you get this times, first slot put if touching mouse pointer, make it times 19. So now you have that smooth effect. So now let's try it out. Oh, that works perfect. Now let's make the shine. Let's click on paint and just add some background so we can see the shine. Let's name this white thingy. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, so I just named it white thingy. So now go to fill and select this. So now you can swap colors. In the first color, make it white. in the second color, just click on this red mark. So now we can make a rectangle that fades out. Then let's keep it like this, so it doesn't go too off the screen. And then just select it and copy and paste it. Now, now put it on the other side. You can flip it horizontally, so it's gonna be like this. Make it perfect. So now let's select both of these things. I already showed you the trick. Hold shift and select the other one. Now copy that and paste it. And the other trick is if you hold shift while you're rotating, it will only rotate by 45 degrees. So let's try it out. If we we selected the whole thing. No, what did we do? Okay, let's just delete. No, oh no, we deleted the whole thing. Oh, we have to start again. Okay, let's just speed run this time. You guys already know what to do, so why shouldn't we? Oh, and nothing. Oh no. Let's fill this guy with red. You can fill it with any color, and while you're at it, in the swap block, you make it white, but don't select this thing. And now let's do the same thing that we did last time. Just put it, don't actually put it in the middle, put it near. So that's good. Copy it, paste it. Now you flip it horizontal, and now and now we are back at where we started. Let's put a little. You can also control it with the arrow keys if you wanted to move pixel by pixel. And let's select these things again. And then put it here. Copy it, paste it. Flip it. Let's make it over here. Then make it that. Okay, now it's perfectly straight. And we can do this. Now that's nice. Now let's paste again. But let's use shift this time. While we're rotating, if we use shift, it only turns by 40 degrees. And that's the thing you want. I'm just gonna align this perfectly so it looks nice. Then again paste it. We have pasted this so many times already that I don't know what are we doing. Oh, I don't know why I'm messing up. So now it's aligned perfectly. That's the best I can do. Now, let's just remove the red thingy, delete that. And that's why I put the red, because you barely can see anything, like anything. And let's create a backdrop. Let's just choose one and make it blue sky too. Why not? And let's code in the white thingy that when the green flag is clicked, go to the back layer. And don't think that it's gonna go back of the backdrop, but in Scratch, when you make this go to back layer, it only goes behind sprites, not backdrops. So again, take a forever block and make it always turn by 5 degrees. So now it goes there. But let's make it go at 0, y0, x0 and y0. So it's at the same position as the cat. And look at that. We have this easy thingy. Now let's actually make the core. Let's right click on the variable and delete it. Make a new variable called score, and then for all sprites, and click OK. And then again make a variable which is high score. Now add cloud variable, so it stores on every server. Now let's make a different code for the high score, because it always has to be that. Forever, if the high score is less than score, is gonna set the high score to score. But we haven't still coded if we click on the sprite. And this is not gonna be easy. We are not gonna use the when this sprite clicked. We are going to use forever if, and then inside of that another if. So it's gonna be if touching the mouse pointer in the first one, and then in the second one if the mouse is down. Then stop. Oh no. If the mouse is down, change y by 10. Change the score by 1. And play the meow sound. So now, when you click it, we have that easy. And if we click, the high score doesn't change. But we haven't set, like when the green flag is clicked, it has to set the score to 0. So let's just do that now. Score to 0. So now it's like a real clicker game. And you might be thinking we can make the shop and the close in one sprite, but actually we are gonna make it in 2 sprites. So paint a new sprite and go to the normal, not the other one. I'm gonna make it red, and the outline, let's make it black, and the outline thickness is 4. Now zoom in a little bit and it should be like this. Then then draw a square like this, and yeah, hold no, take this guy and put it all the way in the top of the screen. And let's write some text with pixel. I don't like this handwriting, but let's just use it for now. Let's write shop, and don't forget to make it bigger so it looks nice. So now we have made the default thing. Now just right click on this sprite shop. Let's also name it shop. Now right click on it and say duplicate, but this time click on text and write close. So now it's close, and rename it to close. And when the green flag is clicked, we'll make him show. We are going to need these two blocks a lot. So then after that, we are going to, when this sprite is clicked, we are going to hide it and broadcast message 1. And then, oh, we did wrong. It's supposed to be in the shop. Actually, delete all this code. We should go to the shop sprite and write that. And also, if we ever take this out of its place, let's just put this when the green flag is clicked, go to this position, and it's going to show just like we did in the other sprite. Now if this sprite is clicked, it's going to hide and broadcast message 1 and close. Now let's start coding close. Put close in the place of shop, and again make it go there. When the green flag is clicked, it's gonna be opposite. It's gonna hide. And when I receive message 1, it's gonna show. But when this sprite is clicked, it's going to hide again. Can duplicate this, hide, and broadcast message, new message, close. So now it's gonna broadcast close. Now we have made that easy. But we forgot to make the shop again reappear when he receives close. That's gonna be easy and done. Our shop close is done. Let's paint a new sprite, and it's going to be square. Make it white. Then just put it along the screen. But don't make it thin, make it fat. Go to the sprite, show it, and make it go here. But don't make it too big. Not too big and too small. It has to be the size of that thing, close. But our buying stuff is going to be much bigger. So let's just extend this. Click on that. Extend it a lot. This might have to go to the end of the screen. Oh yes, it has perfect. Just select the text and again make it bigger. Put in here and make it a little longer. And yeah, same thing for the shop. Just hide the close, and the shop is way too long. It has to be perfectly aligned. Yes. Now just do the same thing you did to close. Put in the middle. Yes. Done. So now these all the things are done. Let's code this thing. When the green flag is clicked, we are going to make it hide. But when when it receives message 1, which is actually when the shop hide, it's going to show. And when it receives a close, it's going to hide. And always it's going to be at the back layer. So if it's in the front layer, just make a forever block and put in the back layer. And right before we are done with this video, just go to the white thingy, go here, and add go to back layer. So guys, this video is done. Let's just see the end result. So we have it saying meow when we click, and when we click shop, this white thing comes and close appears. So now that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.